everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you 5 ways you can start taking care of your skin for the festive season. So let's get started. So I've started trying this face pack in the morning and I think this has really helped. It has to be raw milk and not boiled. Take a little bit in a bowl and take a cotton pad and soak it into it. And then just evenly apply this on your face and neck. Raw milk is great at moisturizing, so if you have really dry skin, this is what you should use. And I think this also helps with pigmentation on your skin, so it evens your skin out and also brightens it. Leave it on your skin for about 10 minutes till it dries. In the meanwhile, take half a tomato and you need to use pure honey. Now just dip the tomato into the honey and start scrubbing your skin with this. There are no granules in this, so it's super gentle, so you can actually do this every day. This can also be done with people who have sensitive skin. Now, I always knew that tomato has lycopene, which is great for the body, but it's also loaded with antioxidants, which are known to lighten dark spots and helps the skin remain youthful as well as brighter. So if you do this right now, a month or two before the festive season, your skin will actually be ready. It will be glowing, clear and radiant. You can do this every day or just a couple of times in the week, but obviously the more you do it, the better the results. So another thing that I have started using in the recent past is the Foreo Luna 2. Now this one is for combination skin. So first I apply face wash on my face and then I just wet the Luna 2 a little bit. Now the bristles are super gentle and I like to focus this on my T-zone especially. You press it in the middle to switch it on. There is a plus and minus sign to increase and decrease the intensity of the vibration as well. So I just go in circular motion for about 1 to 2 minutes twice a day. So I focus this around my T-zone and also around my nose because that is where I have maximum pores that needs deep cleansing, and it also removes the whiteheads and blackheads which can eventually turn into acne. So that is how my skin looks after I have deeply cleansed it. I know I have a little bit of dark spots and acne spots that I need to work on, but I think my skin has become a lot better from the past. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you flip this, this also has an anti-aging mode, which I like to use around my lip area, around my eyes and on my forehead. And to be honest, I love doing this because it really helps in de-stressing you, because it kind of like increases the blood circulation on your skin and also gives you a massage, which obviously makes you feel so good. One charge actually lasts up to 450 uses and it is so easy to carry, so this is definitely coming with me for all of my travels. So the next very important thing you should do right now for your skin is to add a serum into your regime. Now, a serum is important because it is a more potent and concentrated version to tackle any sort of skin concern that you have. A serum also works at deeper layers of your skin, so it is going to penetrate deeply into your skin and correct any sort of skin concern that you have. And that is why I like to add a serum into my regime and use it day and night. Another very important thing if you want clear skin is to keep your gut really clean. Take lukewarm water and mix 1 tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar into it. You need to have this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and then you cannot consume anything for the next 40 minutes. Another thing you should do is make infused detox water. So you need lime, mint, apple and cucumber. Mix all of this into a big jar of water and consume it. You're anyway supposed to drink 3 to 4 liters of water. You might as well add all of these fruits into it, which will actually help in removing all of the toxins and making your body alkaline. The last thing is to include a lot of vitamins into your daily routine, which means having a lot of fruits filled with vitamin C. Fruits are amazing for the body, so have fruits as much as you can. You should also have dry fruits, which are so high in vitamins and minerals and which is great for your skin and hair. You should also have supplements which have vitamins in it. So I've started having this. This has vitamin B12, vitamin C, fiber, zinc and so many other good things. So I have a glass of this every day. You should also include products that have vitamin C in it because it's a very powerful antioxidant which helps to give you clear, bright, glowing skin. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Do start taking care of your skin for the festive season so you're absolutely ready with clear, glowing skin. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting on the notification bell, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.